In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate Agoda listing. If you need to take a property offline on Agoda, the most reliable way is to submit a request through the host portal so Agoda's team can process it correctly. I'll walk you through exactly where to click and what to write so your request is clear and handled without back and forth. Start by opening the Agoda website in your browser. At the top of the page, select List Your Place. This takes you into the hosting area. If you're prompted to sign in, log in with your host account so you can access your properties and their settings. Once you're in, you'll see your property list. Choose the property you want to deactivate. Next to that property, look for the three dots menu. That small menu gives you quick actions related to the listing. Open it, then go to Dashboard. This opens the property dashboard, which is where you'll find account and support tools that apply to that specific listing. In the dashboard, move to the top right corner and select the profile icon. From the menu that appears, choose Support. This opens the contact form you'll use to submit your deactivation request. On the form, enter your name if you want to include it, and make sure the email address field is accurate and actively monitored. That's where Agoda will send updates about your case, so double check it for typos. In the What can we help you with your field, clearly state your intention. A simple direct line such as, "Request to deactivate my property listing" works well. If there's a subject field, you can repeat that in short form to make your request easy to identify. In the description area, provide the essential details Agoda needs to action your request without delay. Include the property name as it appears in your account, the property ID if you have it, and the reason you're deactivating, such as renovations or permanently closing the listing. Specify when you want the deactivation to take effect, and mention if there are any upcoming reservations so the team can advise on the proper handling. You can also ask them to confirm once the listing is deactivated and let you know if any further steps are required on your side. When everything looks good, click Send. You should see an acknowledgement that your message was submitted. Keep an eye on your inbox for a response from Agoda support and note any case numbers shown so you can reference it if you need to follow up. If you don't see a reply after a reasonable time, check your spam or junk folder. That's it. You've submitted a complete deactivation request through the Agoda host portal.